Gaspari Nutrition's Myofusion Advanced Protein provides you with a clinically validated blend of 5 of the most effective protein sources in a time-release multi-matrix formula. This protein blend was designed to maximize muscle anabolism in 2 stages. First, it provides your body with an instantaneous surge of fast-acting amino acids via a combination of ultra-premium whey protein hydrolysate, whey protein isolate, and whey protein concentrate. Second, the micellar casein and milk protein isolate in the formula provide a slower, time-release infusion of amino acids that ensure a longer period for muscle building long after your workout is over. Myofusion, the original time-release protein, copied by many, duplicated by none, available in delicious flavors in 2 and 4 pounders.